Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Islamic Studies, Book 1, Chapter 15. Chapter 15 is about Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born in Makkah on Monday, Rabiul Awwal, in the year of the elephant. It was the year 570 according to the Christian calendar. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born 50 days after the event of the year of the elephant. What is the year of the elephant? The Arabs before Islam, of course, had no calendar. They counted the days and months, but they did not number their years. Instead, they would only give each year a name after some special event which happened during that year. The year in which Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born, something very remarkable happened. An Ethiopian ruler named Abraha was ruling Yemen at that time. He was angry because many people went to Makkah every year to visit the Kaaba. Along with them, they took all their business and trade there. Abraha became jealous. He wanted people to come to his city instead. So he decided to build a big church in Sana'a. He hoped that people would visit his church and stop visiting the Kaaba. Abraha built a splendid church in Sana'a but the people did not come to his church. They continued to visit the Kaaba. Abraha needed no further excuse. He set out for Makkah with a large army to tear down the Kaaba. At the front of the army, he placed an elephant. No one in Makkah had ever seen an elephant before. Abraha was not far from Makkah when the elephant stopped and it wouldn't move any further. Abraha's large army also stopped. Since then, this year was called the Year of the Elephant. It was the year Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born. At the end of this lesson, try to fill in the gaps so that you can have good practice of the whole lesson. Number 1. At the front of the army, Abraha put an dash. Number 2. Abraha wanted to break the dash down. Number 3. Abraha built a splendid dash in Sana'a. If you don't know the answer, go and listen the lesson again to have the answers of these questions. Inshallah, I will see you in the next video for the next lesson. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.